time to take out the new drone for a spin. I hope you enjoyed that small cinematic that I put together while I was testing my drone, but I ran out of battery, so I had to cut it short. And yeah, everything goes smooth, no drifting at all. The only issue on sport mode, the gimbal was acting funny, but I don't use anyway the sport mode. So that's it for the video. Comment below and let me know what you want to see next. I got few ideas, but I want to hear your opinion so I can make the other video as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.